Welcome to MS Tech Hub. This is the continuation of validation series. In this video we are going to discuss about validation for minimum and maximum numbers, and these are available in validate Jquery, and for the minimum length and maximum length to validate minimum and maximum characters, and these are available in validate Jquery, and for the minimum words and maximum words validation, these are available in the additional methods Jquery. Let's flip to Visual Studio. For the mean validation, I am creating a label with class form label with the field name mean, and I am creating input with ID mean, name, mean, class, form control. It is a bootstrap class. This is the minimum value control. We will apply the minimum validation on this input field. I am just creating for copies, and I am giving the max name to the next field, max mean length, max length, mean length, and max length. Similarly, the name, max length. For max length, we have created the HTML. Now go to the Jquery section. We have to define the rules for these fields. Required. First of all, we are making these fields required, and mean, minimum 5 number I am validating, and we have to define the validation for the other fields also. Mean length, for the mean length. Similarly, for the max, we have to define the max validation. For the max length, we have done the Jquery and the HTML. Let's check in the browser. Here in the browser, when we submit the form, so all the fields are required. So when we enter 3 in the minimum section, so it is saying that please enter a value greater than or equal to 5. So when we enter 5, it is accepting, and even when we enter 6, it is accepting the value. When we enter the 3 in the max field, it is accepting. When we enter 7 in this field, it is saying please enter a less than or equal to value 5. So we are entering 4 over here. When we entering the, so it is saying please enter at least 5 characters. So we are entering MS tech, so it has been accepted now. So when we enter the value MS, it has been accepted. When we start more than this MS tech, so it is saying please enter no more than 5 characters. When we enter MS, it has been accepted. Now the form is valid. So let's look. We have seen mean, max and mean length or max length. Now we are going to check for the mean word and max word. So let's remove these two fields. MinWords and MaxWords, I am making these fields, and I'm just giving the ID MinWords and the name MinWords. Similarly, MaxWords and the name MaxWords. Go to the Jquery section. In the Jquery section, let's define mean and MaxWords. So we need two validations only. MinWords for the MinWords and MaxWords for the MaxWords, and I am giving 2 words length for the minimum and maximum. So we have done. Let's check in the browser. So here we are having 2 fields on the form. When we submit the form, so we are having both the fields are validated required. So when we are typing MS in the MinWords section, so it is saying please enter at least 2 words. So we have to type tech hub. So error has gone. Now it is accepting 2 words, or we can even enter the more than 2 words, because we have set the minimum 2 words only. And for the max word, when we start typing MS tech hub, and when we start typing third words, so it is saying please enter 2 words or less. So we have to, it is stopping us on 2 words. So both the validations are working fine. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching.